brand no nye enchain mo Accra FM no on ensemble nas enya sem was dey ye can even though why there ma enya like wa disappointing mo show no ayiko fans ni etie for muti no enam so wan bantem amount me but en won ensemble won timi nka enti the odie Wendy Shay no they oputu question so prove ni like mo ni say enye professional because when Shay brother can say they will busa question enye professional because when they can busa e wo dey go busa because why so timi ka so prove and no proof no ka say mo prove no kamu so ojani sa ke bia wenje be kan adwan fa on na bia o mo twem ko bet o ashase no waka asa ko fa the same asema ba ana ka say bi kra enyum no ye ma bullet because tu ti enyum ni nsema valentine me ne wa afi quarantine aba me nya akwa say bia quarantine no bullet ni ne wife akoda ne wife echi etinu onya no ne ndi odo no nya ne nya sa anwoma no
Stronko about too much GH. Me didn't nana ama owusua. Na trending issues about social media so ene day me day ebe sumo. The air trending sesia ewe social media platform no eye Wendy Shay ni interview wakoya and won sem abe bebre ate say Ghana for any anyonto for won de woman no atumu ebi. Na interview yi eko so ewo Accra FM and Nana Romeo so as host. Na the intikra eye Wendy Shay ekopie mu ewo interview na say wako se ko promote the single we releasing on latest single we releasing edin a edaso eye emergency na ebra enkomotwetwe no ekoso no ase ensem ni edane kakra ma te se ensem bisa no kura Wendy Shay ni private life at Olivi Emma who say baby edune de so to aso se be interview na wono akase mu onya justice Emma no hom eno nti was etie for permission and was sorry fee interview no so na Nana Romeo yi he's known say the interviews are what any celebrities here no either say be endi we before mu anase obi be background no man kwampo no abetena se obega se we late no apamo no eno nti Wendy Shay ne say no go do na atro support behind Wendy Shay commander one more churching a go-ra boninu on bullets, one relationship more as artist and manager. Now, what I say our evidence, and Nana Romeo, what I say our evidence are proving say Wendy Shay, one bullets, Eshishaho, now and young emergency do crowd the ababon to know one more relationship, no, and one sem and what they are and young neighbors are for, Ohana and some will be sending a wild cost to this, or better Wendy Shay and hate to point this and pa, one bullet is show and now Wendy Shay that come by a palm at what then I drink then or say, well, unprofessional. One year be at a say man and then the city was not so crumple. That's one say so now. It was a for young interview no ba ye be di ho enkomo.
Titi rumor say only bullet wo. Asem odi eminim say watia tia. And me pese o kire mu ye pa na ye hu no kra wom. Sebi o ye oba ye nim o boyfriend bia say Wendy Shay boyfriend ni. Na on say obey celebrity a o nshada ni o personal life biem. I say nipa ni di wachi de o ye bia nipa ehwe. Aden na one bullet ehihye ho. Na ye busa na u deny say oni bullet any ho.
But then I straightforward say I didn't na me deny. Aden na Romeo one minute and say menanti mo ya one minute wo.
Yen kasa kwa o. Ye answer na ye be kasa na ya nhwemu. Nhwemu a me ma ye ne kire say oni bullet etwempena. But baby ebe busa obi a no oni bullet ni ho. The same way na Sean dey na start here adenti na untumi nka no kure no once and for all ema ye hu say na tie
me pacho me nkotena baby be kan asema you know any ho say mini bullet ewo ho mini bullet any ho no and minim zenti aya most of the time no baby amekobi ano instead of say bia ye be focusing on me artistry ne ade betime de Ghana akọ I'm on a nene tumpo then we like I get questions like mini bullet ewo ho na say mini bullet any ho no like me hu ne say any question e professional though you know
ene de nyame yadom a men so nti se me will prove bi a kire se woni bullet shower me famra bontino bi ahwe ana
I don't watch person do to sports. That's a bullet once I'm near Babacana.
Oh, and yes, sir. Send me an account. Come on, you do now.
Say, no idea, no, my patrol, young the next question because
don't worry, I have
yes, I need focus too much on. You're focusing on near my Emfa Bibian Bremen.
Me want me prove it to make us about NTA or new song idea about emergency. Boy, munchi mukakra, dana auto and you title emergency. Only bosum piyong and a you boy munse mukakra ninti. Emergency
because I mean obiaka emergency I mean say what I say. So yeah, idea we be a friend say emergency aba. Ubeja dia we no wako and ushe utie munsem na me can baby say this year's Valentine. Me no one idea and so nancing quarantine. Me show me. I mean, I did very relatable. Oshe se see the way quarantine season you betray mu adofu bi akoka baby. Enti say of friend say and I say like in crofom tempted and this animal name. So be from no catch so here emergent like eh dia no here ade bi pa was say ultimate command. Na wanya boni because utie emunsem no wechiro ha o say whether way dey enye we should say answer so to top
yeah
o say whether way dey enye na one ba obama na ye boni you know I was say so be oyere from no catch us as na girl be afro no catch
emergency call
she say I was so jade way na ko enti emergency she say here emergency
na say abrabonum no e no ma be emergency say call no ba pe say o follow up
I was so jade way bia
okay yentie enwum no mu nsem na mebusa wasemi why enwum we say utie ni ya tum say Wendy Bama bullet but be obe deny ya radio adwuma na checka obi ka say enwum we what dedicate am bullet will you believe it
Nana Romeo patcho like and the questions about some new bullet and like
and then me say you and then say you the ekoso e wo oni bullet in term ni free once and for all na no kwa bi e won bi aye hu because me no ka say me wo evidence ngina wo phone so a me nim say me my am fan to Facebook no bi a
me patcho like actually me interview no me ba ha say e ba promoting me new song Mamba say about come about relationship
and anything me born you no and I make sure on say enyum de the first say wa ba ha say be interview ni kire say question I will pen kwa na be busa
but I was say a question e dey punto e be brand brand no na yetimi e dey Ghana nyom across the world na nye bibi say questions now be some me hu ne say e betimi the Ghana call baby and then I person try nkwala nkoto amutie and say I was say no manager ye bibi ansa na wodru hanu say like what is this interview about and I saw who invite me by herself about be some me bullet
Wendy the woman say I don't know obe person me yi evidence am watch re one
like honestly interview women tia say
no me dey me busa on say who deny it
the person me busa manager say the member her because say oba your baba ye me counseling and I say your baba investigate about me bullet
o dey me busa a simple question evidence am wo ha no obe say dey to abontino bi ehun say asema me kan nye bosiri mu kana me wo de me gina so a me ka say oni bullet bibi koso muntem
oni bibi say na interview ne be dey ene me patch up and you see a chaso because me ba ha se me ba be promote me nyom you know na ma share microphone kran because I'm 2 years in the game and obi anim say Wendy Shay my bre enti microphone person mutie me inspiring story no mutimi de bo omubra ma ba ma releasing yum kama like I don't know why you keep on asking me the same questions though like I don't know
okay do you want me to bring out the proof that I have
me patroni say na interview ni be dey me patro pa we mesrew and we see
should I bring the proof that I have for you obia o ha bia person no bia hu so that you know say enye tro na me
me patriotic from Fanchame, but I really can't. I mean to me to interview. So if you keep asking,
Wendy,
what be
should I bring the proof that I have?
What be some message? Yanko next question, but you keep on asking me the same questions. I don't
Wendy,
know. Then I'll pay for it. Then I'll pay for interview.
Should I bring the proof that I have?
Okay, me patriotic. I'm very sorry, but mean to me your interview. No, it's here for me amateur, but this is so unprofessional. No, like this is really unprofessional.
You haven't answered my question.
Artist I'm about for fraud your mumbu ade and I'm more yes but obia di wa dance say waka me de ebu ama me say pacho yenko the next question uni bibi yemienu ye hia ye ho in as much as I woman me platform na media promoting me nyom no sanso na me so me bring good content and that is good music into me pacho pa
Wendy me busa wa se me ba wo ye hia no en na me ntia no me say prove na me wo no me nyimra na hwe na woni say me mmoa. I mean you haven't answered the question I'm busa no.
Nana Romeo.
You only said
me pacho bebre. It's okay. I think so. I think that's the same there. Then I have to
Wendy you wait me ba.
No, like it means na ha ma umbisa me unprofessional questions say ever be am brand because what do you mean say who prove all the baba say me ni bullet e wo ho no. Only bibi sem only bibi sempo me ni bullet e wo ha ada onye bema.
So why are you denying?
I'm not denying, but make it simple. I don't bullet on your bema. And thank you very much for this interview. I think if this is the question now, would maybe two spot there, then we have to cut it. No. Like any was in the call. I'm really sorry. It's here for Monfan Cheme. Shay Gangsters, like really sorry. I don't know what he's trying to get from this interview, but I'm sorry, I'm out. So, who the bay will be a nyami Wendy Shay, me pacho. I've suffered enough. Thank you.
No. I want to give you the.
So and the interview no echo ye. Na Ghana for the donor arbitrary support behind Wendy Shay and mechanical. Most of them also young as I celebrate some who said they have interviews echo say there. I know she at the ama wonk amongasa emu. Matonsa at your friend in your bema na ye boa. Ume boa me asim way. Yembe do so just yen do support them yem mu nye remu enkwase. The woman be a ye betu ja at the amamu. And no teach a bread ye try home at the aba. Everything for Mr. Sumamo Aqua Bashunko Ebium. Nana ye boa Aquaba. Did you have a call? Namia do not say. Namia do miss me. Yere a year artist Wendy Shay. Waba interview, ebe promoted the single really easy. Now interview no diverting issues na court say the private life no. Ora the way I working out for interview no right.
Okay, interview na the way I working out no. Very right and very well as a professional because also akasa no hu so set so. I no ka say tie for mo fan chemi na the way interview no come mintimi den and to asubio menti no. Oh no, right. The kind of fast work out, and the man work out in all right. So be work out.
But with the way I interview from the start, not to say it was going on smoothly. The reason crowd about honumpo in Yumno, what you say a year host no or born Yumno Accra, send over promoting no boy my promotion the echo. So he said, what by interview as an artist, you will be questions, be making news, be making headlines. And to see a bizarre question, was that the best way to react?
Okay, so I share the reaction and I think so no question busa no fa bullet oni bullet dey cause to amuntemu no say me say san say me ka koye personal issue say the personal issue and I think why stand no about in the nyawa so at say but me won say the way Nana Romeo busa question you know like any right. And I even go up on a trending about Tremu, and I said, Abba, I'm a Kofaka bullet. I'm a say issue. We say, yes, you only bullets are called that man. You have a chum, saying some, I'm on the way crampo, no baroni, the bay track. So, guys, I may a track be found here. But about the way I say, sometimes no presenters and only host from the way of a question, and the money pano yeding, a casa. So, at yes, Yanis will be answering in Akoma. If you have Mubu and Akoma and our questions never answer, be a dear son in Simu. In celebrities, no one say, dear Romeo, and I say, the real Busan question, and I say, and no, that question and then a Fapima or the invitee when the shape bar program. So, oh, and I say, oh, what particular per se on your day, and the end say, and yet you know, cramp no when the Shen Castle promoting, Nemono, Romeo Nankasa, no, while planning to say. Or per se on ye the Oma girl near the Encasanfa, Sa Assem. And as again, make us depend who to the other books. And the man say, when he said, free, you cry. in the middle of or can say you could see you no mutie no no can say can say it is a lay and that's all war or else your war proof it's ya no be personal life will proof found say proof now you can put a no emergency track no or ma bullet well into wow shares and same we are then into when you show no every right to be sorry fee program so into I say Romeo na kasa no or no or what means some person busa no person on then no na any fap mo the interview
and any fapping but is it not justified because a year I think last Saturday bullet so show you face wo year Nana Mama Brown ni United Television show ni so na incommodity no cost no when the share issue ni ba so Emma Bulldog ka say wono the enter want me manage artist female artist because no come be do one here no makoye body
and there
Emma bullet comment about it and say from a comment no ko for apeke say then he was confirming say truly only bibi only when the share entema was it not justified say send and for comment and for community you could ask and confirm from when the share on August
one say from the beginning no you can say UTV show no one say bullet ka say no like omokas and dentia na na busan say denti na ma or why say obe manage female artist ni say no ka say no one dey wan beto ni mami one when ya that mother love I say antobam say and when ya that mother love ni say oni and ama open basem unsa kwese bu a oni ne papa nkwa nti enti hu oba o kan nkom ba o bu person hu dey ambassador ni say na hu say mansu what kind of odobi ni say anyoma ni by women are special so what I say emba de omu dem sunko say emba na wo yen enti dem be say kan say onu say opɛ that emba no person onu person dey omu ama onu ni ni emu ni kind of be ka say ne bota yo wo emamba ni tell na manage female artist him and afin so no manage o kasa no kasa no akwese hu say mba de o yo bi aka on come ma me dress so dey open ba
open ba
oni oba de aggressive open ba o we ma oni mba da ni sa nyema ni onu so ni sa no fine onu black no chance ye na the allegation be bre boni ba ye so oni e boni afin de Wendy Shay nsem bebre but onu a kire ne butaya o de managing ba enti say bia what unso pese o mbusa Wendy Shay and for that question one answer that allegations ni say no a e was so the way abebusa no unso presented there on e also the way abebusa questions your questions bu a obetime busa obunfu be ima no and the way I present question am obufu be ube there obeka kan wa mi da kire etu ka so be personal life na o ka say wo you can say wo witness wo proof any say anyoma no wo proof ni say anyoma it that means say wo Wendy Shay na mo no why Wendy Shay investigation that they say na no wadani
o deny
that say na no wadani you can say CID wo enti oya man no why you shi Ghana no say because you share kidi about show so fine we say it's the first time why late and a second time so why late fine why about Ghana for betwem obi aka say the aye na nya bi say the aye na ye new artist for no say ni say no me hu ni say the ashentim say artist for new artist for no aba game ni mu no aba omu nyina suban ye pe ana so omu suban nya ana so omu mbu ade ana bibi ombenya that recognition ni relevant to game ni wa music industry I say omu suban ye pe omu mbu ade ni omu ye show off ni say anyoma omu mbu ade ni say anyoma but onu say na onu enya no enti obi aba person who say or take it dominant over that person now or can say myself
but that is his work he's a host
because check it say the brand no nye and chain mo Accra FM no on and say be nas enya say mo say den ye can even though why there ma enya like wa disappointing mo show no ayiko fans ni etie for muti no enam so wan ban tem amount me but en say sembo want me kan enti the idea when the Shay no they will put to question or prove ni like when say any professional because when Shay brother can say they will busa question any professional because when you can busa e wo dey go busa because why so timi ka so prove and no proof no ka say mo prove no ka mu so ojani sa ke bia when Shay be kan adwan fa on na bia o mo twem ko bet ashas ye no waka abetwem waka the way a wa show no so say o person promoting any emergency new latest track aba na fe so waka wasa akofa the same asema ba ana aka say bi crap enyum no ye ma bullet because tu ti enyum ni nsema Valentine me ne wa afi quarantine aba me nya ho akwa se bia quarantine no bullet ne wife akoda ne wife echi etino onya no ne ndi odo no nya ne nya sa anwoma no nemomo no Valentine that time COVID-19 be ye na etimi ko no de se oni na na e ko na eba etin se me aka like date na ma obeka sa mo show so who the tension image who ne brand no say ne brand what I say already
rude
for the past 2 years again cuz for the past 2 years you know wa go through like I say wa bread I go through pains like in some of the doors when you share some of the buy doors gonna afford the trap bomb and now when the share or now when the share near the Nancy Cro ne Fantana so what I say because be brain in your no that means I want say otimi ye bibi sa
nti presenter ni rude
or you unprofessional. That's it. Nana Romeo, you're unprofessional.
Mama, first some comments are gonna for Eddie Abba Efa a year when you share ne Nana Romeo or encounter no where if Ibra GH I say that presenter is using the artist to be popular in Ghana here. Wendy too should have opened up on the truth. We all know they are dating or you don't know. Where they will be say when the no na so we create that scene no about a year issue be say so a year bullet woman dey see and answer woman dey dey yes or no question either yes or no answer na we deny na or there year beef no answer there we diverting from the issue na there year known truth and a Ibraji H person yente asem ever has say no biam so no sa allergy say the presenter no ankasa mu no or riding on artist no to become popular in Ghana so no ankasa mu onfa ne ho ngd na Kwame Aferi eso dia wode about say enkwasi asem say ya akwa Ghana de Frisky eso edie no say oh wow she went hard on the host but the host never had to ask if he should bring evidence nti ono so huni say na Nana Romeo wo hu nyampo say ko baby say one for evidence emra na say woman for evidence emma but when the show so at o mana no eyedin e wo presenter no so edodo nyama eso edia wode about say edia say she really kept her composure. She did the right thing, bro. I swear. Ono so action na doing. You should comments na ebana. Do not wait behind Wendy Shay for
of course
the way or going out a bit so edna the host nechi
unse now be kase I say ojina celebrities for no so the pre-fame and say
yeah
so very relevant to Ghana ha na say bi hu ni sanyo man me hu say sometimes fe bi na bet me true because kidi aba no go kidi eni masia it will go viral say bi kidi I say do any the media no kwani kidi anyway but kidding so no the way okan e no no so okasa fine and sanka ka say ombu ade ana say you do that say okasa o pa cho wie e no ka say I didn't na o ye misa and sometimes no say bi nipa bia on from so obi ahu but who presenter no timi ati as if say o ye chem bia na say o de o ye perfect na bibia na say kidi ayen from so o de ayen no gu nani ma say o fans o gu nani ma say sounds when you ban so o de be gu nani ma say obi wan sem wakakakra ye wabusa the first one waka bibia fa ho enti na dey na wo proof like enu na make me won say any sensible unprofessional wanti dia when the share here no so all sorry every program no so no oya right right because onu so ntimi betanasi ma onko onya akola sebi and onu so build some doctor branding what that here when the share on so release in it enti no dia we no be promoting trial now about shows now person go na ni maseria and then also sorry
meti wase mom nanso enkofo bi so dia wo de aba e kire se ade e call so e wo Accra FM no e set up because Bullet and Rough Town Records they are known for creating scandals and I say like controversies to promote songs and it's all about also be promotion kwa and say scandal be emma controversies bimra so na be ya enyum no ebeko until was stage. What do you think about that?
No, there's not a stage because say the stage is something now it will spoil Accra for so Accra FM no ubeka say abeyo musu
say omudi trendy Accra FM trendy when the show too trendy
trendy no then na elivi ebi amomo adwuma am ye na ye unprofessional we e call ebi ubeka say Accra FM from do we betna celebrity betna no mugu ni man say tarnish the image of can say FM no that education say omudin So what you are saying to me, who say it wasn't stage and yes, something on my plan say, yeah, you are promoting emergency, we promote two songs. This is not the right way we promote two songs because until fact, trade the way I work it out on, you can't sing.
Sure, listen.
Baby, never can say one. Comment about be can say or at rudely. Say, do you any fine? I know Bill say Romeo question, you be a answer make us a young professional. And the moon said this wasn't stage, a state thing on Bayer Bibia and say will be ding. And say will be hair, and I say it will be brand, and I will be a Jumain Massy.
Okay, yes, and artists, no so celebrities, other ones also react about the issue. Where if medical, so about Bontia Becasa Afa, a course so Accra FM, or not to who say, a year Ghana has to see how they do. Presenters at their name interrogators, CID for 1 year interrogation. Now, the air was a cry, one cry, and the dusty. Who call the show swap? Your interview, interrogation, CID, also while committing offense, not as yet to one. Bullet is so abe, as I said.
They won't say, sometimes someone they try some baby be that program, na yeah, a site and I say, program, na swide. Oh, Metimuni say, Romeo, or you know, try possible, say, be a. Again, no one said, they will boost again the question. As no bian in Akuma, and as no bian in the Subai. Obi or Honma, obey me, why will prove Abia fackle out, and they be approving the one he found. Well, or no, and fan home. So, Beckans, Obi Sua, obey me a fa, obey me and sow, or like obey me and sow, or quine be swa, obey Chassel. Well, say, be I mean, when say, I went to shake, I say, I am a personal life. Let's just leave it there. Commit me a jar to her. Now, I'm going to say before because I know when you say they turn to Busa and say, I then there a coso. Because of be a kind of when you say your moon date, but moon said they were on one art professionally. They'll be saying a young professional.
You didn't come on AC, no, young people say they were artists if only ever out. On my bed, Juna, a year when you say the likes of Shasawale, medical, even bullet swab about Tepecasafo, who say. Enchebia a year Accra ayiko no Nana Romeo ni show na waye no enchebia celebrities very important.
Amagaza omunko obia omunko.
Say any first time I
twice. Say won say dey ana won say first one kidi dey no bebria ambe comment won ho ni nyoma.
But ana Shatawale baba they say you no anko be destroy radio station won nyama.
Oh of course Shat ana enyo bi say no onti fa nya Shatawale.
Okay.
Onti fa we endi sakodi.
Okay.
Yeah yon ko fo bu ha onti fa we endi omo. So what I say, and this ana obi so no shatter. Oh, we can ana say according to the one branding no master respect. It will soon to me then and finding. You go for who am to me find you.
And to me and
I say Wendy Shay kidi. Ana come you cramp. What are they going to come you John show or chan one more. What's a call you no so na boom kakra. Oh, you go for one thing for you.
Okay.
It's moon say Wendy Shay your man of it me get you. Right, as you know, Timson Casabia, maybe more Casso originally so they are perfect. And you're okay, or say or check it, nay,
and you're okay. Everything from so dear net my drink chair, a fat year, a course so, Accra FM, Ayiko show so a bra, Nana Romeo, our Tisso as host, will be a Wendy Shay and some effort on one private issues, nay relationship between or not Wendy Shay and a manager, a bullet. There would be a photo dry our too much GH, your comment section. Obey me, I follow too much GH our Instagram at too much GH_. Within the Nana Ama Owuswa, and that day, Menana your poor and you see and Konya a discussing issue. That's a net, your best time, Edin Shemubium, Macram.